Hello and welcome to a new series of video about Arduino programming. To program an Arduino, we are using a starter kit, a so-called starter kit. It contains the Arduino. I will explain what an Arduino is in later videos. It is containing everything we need to learn how this Arduino is going to work. It's going to function. What we can do about it. If you do buy such starter kit, you usually receive once such packet, big packet, and well, I always tend to buy the biggest one, because there are simply the most possibilities inside, and I want to show you all the possibilities. Here I'm going to use this in this series of video. I'm going to use this packet from Elego, it's called. I've used this in school several times. All of them were working and so on. I'm really satisfied with this. This is why I'm always using this. I had other ones from other companies. They are not soldered in sometimes and so on. And sometimes the AC/DC adapters, they are too weak and so on. Here I never had any issue. Only the battery. The battery is sometimes empty, or a lot of times empty, but okay. So this is the package. That's it. So we're going to open this now to show you how it looks. Oh, it's always like Christmas. I like it. It's always like Christmas. So let's open this. You can use a tool. You can use your fingers. You can use however you like to open a packet. I always tend to do it with as much care as possible, because simply I don't like it if things are just ripped off. But you know, it's personal opinion. So let's open this and see how it is looking inside. I can already see something. That's it. This is how this thing is working, looking. It's not how it's working. It's working better. This is how it's looking, at least. It's a little suitcase. It's a little box. You can open it, and inside you have quite a lot of stuff, as you can see. Well, there's a CD. I'm not sure if you have a computer where you can even put this away. You will hear on the CD there are some things you can try and so on your own. However, you can also listen to this series of video and we will get through this stuff. So look what we've got here. There in this anti-static packs, there is this here, for instance, is the Arduino itself. So this is the controller. You see there are some tiny little things which are called resistors, by the way. Then here are some things where you can plug in. This is a keyboard, numeric keyboard. Here there is a so-called breadboard and so on. We will use this heavily. And what we've got here, we have a fan. There must be also somewhere a motor. Here is a motor. You can put the fan on the motor, even if it's hot like now. Then there we have an RFID things, and you see all those things are soldered inside, so they are ready to use. And here we have a box in a box. They are living in a box. With a lot of different stuff inside. So there are LEDs inside, there are thermistors inside, there are also potentiometers inside, little switches, condensators, capacitors. There are RGB lids, must be somewhere inside. There are RGB lids, there are motor drivers and so on, and beepers and speakers and so this we going to learn. There is a temperature and moisture sensor, for instance, is this here. Then what we've got here, what is this? This here is a encoder. This here is an infrared receiver. You can even use the remote control of your television and try it here. And this is always something which is very much appreciated by my pupils. Joystick, left, right, and actually it's 2 potentiometers on the button, but okay, it's the special form. This here, ultrasonic distance measurement, oh so nice, oh so nice. A lot of cables inside, cables to connect the Arduino to your computer, stepper motor driver. What's this? There's a gyroscope. You see, there's quite something inside. Servo motors, microphone to measure how loud it is. What is this? A real-time clock. We have a real-time clock in here. This is an additional power supply. LED, matrix LED. What I'm currently missing is where is it? Is the motion detector. Here it is, there, motion detector. There's a relay. There's 7 segment displays, one or even a package of 4. So you see, it's quite a package. And we are learning to deal with this. In the beginning we are learning to deal with this, the controller. Okay, this is the beginning. We learn how to program it, how to put it into action. What is needed there to connect it. Or this is the used package. All those sheets and papers, I will put them back in. And I will show you different exercises with this stuff, exactly this stuff here. We'll use exactly this box. And then in the end you hopefully know how to program an Arduino and can do your own complex things. So close it. Back. The first thing we need to do is install the IDE. So we need to understand what an Arduino is. I will explain in the next video. Next video is about what is an Arduino, what is a controller, and what is an Arduino. How does it look like? And then we're going to install the IDE. What an IDE is, we will also hear then. Integrated developer environment. So next time, brief overview about the Arduino hardware. For this time, thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.